What if the life you are living right now isn't yours, but a trap built by your worst daily choices? There is a dangerous, hidden rule you break every single night that secretly ruins your future. And if you don't stop it today, you will stay stuck forever. Have you ever looked at your life in the middle of the night and felt a quiet, terrifying emptiness? You look at yourself in the mirror and you realize you are just surviving, not living. You feel tired, heavy, and completely stuck in a dark loop of bad habits. You watch other people achieve great success, deep peace, and real happiness, while you are left behind, waiting for a miracle that never comes. But here is the brutal truth that most people will never tell you. Nobody is coming to save you. Your life is quietly slipping away while you wait for the perfect moment. But what if the secret to breaking this painful cycle is not a magical opportunity? What if the most dangerous enemy you face is actually the small, invisible decisions you make every single day? Welcome back to Glaze English, my friends. Today, we are going to expose a hidden truth about human growth. If you are tired of feeling weak, unmotivated, and defeated by your own mind, you cannot afford to close this video. There are 8 silent rules that can completely rewrite your future. And if you miss even one, you might stay stuck exactly where you are forever. Before we uncover the first rule, please take 1 second to subscribe to our channel. Your incredible support gives us the deep motivation to keep creating powerful, life-changing videos for your journey. Now, let us sit down together, quiet the noise of the world, and discover how these simple habits can transform your body and mindset today. Let us start building a better life together. To understand how we can completely rewrite our future, we must first look at the very foundation that carries us through this world, our physical body. Rule number 1 is a protective boundary I set for my own life every single week. Never go more than 3 days without exercise. I know exactly how easy it is to fall into the comfort trap. We spend long hours sitting at desks, staring at screens, and avoiding physical effort because our minds crave safety and rest. But then, we wonder why we constantly feel heavy, unmotivated, and filled with overthinking. The truth is simple. The human body was designed to move. When you allow your body to stay inactive for too long, your mind begins to suffer silently. Movement is not just about changing how you look or building muscles for outer attractiveness. It is a direct investment in your mental freedom. When you move, your brain naturally releases stress and clears away the heavy fog of anxiety. Consistency matters much more than intensity. You do not need a perfect, intense workout to save your day. You simply need to avoid complete inactivity. Discipline means moving your body, even on the days when temporary motivation completely disappears. This physical care naturally creates a beautiful momentum that leads directly into rule number 2. Wake up early. The way you choose to start your morning shapes the entire direction of your day. Many people spend their nights scrolling online, wake up late, and immediately rush into chaos, starting their day with stress and pressure. But early mornings are different. They are quiet, calm, and completely free from the noisy demands of the world. By choosing growth over temporary comfort, you claim extra hours every single day to improve your skills, practice your English, or simply sit in peaceful reflection. A structured morning builds a powerful new identity. You prove to yourself that you are a disciplined person who respects their own future. These small daily choices regarding your body and your morning time create a strong physical foundation, making you truly ready to handle the heavy mental challenges ahead. Once you build a strong physical foundation and master your mornings, you unlock a powerful space to upgrade your mental engine. This brings us directly to rule number 3. Make time to read every single day. I often look around and notice a sad reality in our modern world. So many people completely stop learning the moment they graduate from school. We spend hours feeding our brains with cheap entertainment, digital noise, and endless social media scrolling, while completely starving our minds of valuable ideas. Your mind changes based on what you feed it daily, just like your physical body changes based on the food you eat. When you read good books, you are opening a door to talk with the wisest people who ever lived, downloading their years of painful mistakes and deep wisdom in just a few hours. Reading is also a beautiful cure for our short attention spans because it trains the brain to slow down, focus, and think deeply. For everyone learning English, reading is an invisible superpower. Your mind naturally absorbs correct sentence structures, beautiful expressions, and new vocabulary without any boring memorization. Just 10 pages a day feels incredibly small, but over a year, this small habit builds a mountain of knowledge that expands your perspective forever. This deep mental growth naturally fuels rule number 4. Work harder than you did yesterday. Many people waste their lives dreaming about a beautiful future, but they continue giving the exact same low effort every single day. True progress only happens when you intentionally push yourself just a little bit beyond your comfort zone. Stop comparing your progress to people on the internet. Your only real competition is the person you were yesterday. When you work hard and choose discipline over temporary laziness, you build an unshakable sense of self-respect. Hard work is never a punishment. It is a sacred investment in your future identity. Even when your progress feels completely invisible under the surface, your daily effort is quietly building deep roots of resilience. By pushing yourself a little harder each day, you transform your skills and open new doors of freedom that will reshape your entire destiny. While upgrading your mental engine gives you the strength to grow, you must also build an emotional anchor to protect your inner peace along the way. This leads us directly to rule number 5. Think less. It is a painful truth that so many of us completely destroy our own happiness because we allow our minds to overthink everything. We spend our precious days worrying about a future we cannot control, or crying over past mistakes that we can never change. We suffer so much more inside our heavy imagination than we ever do in real life, creating dark scenarios in our heads before anything even happens. You must realize that not every negative thought inside your head tells the truth. Many times, it is just fear trying to keep you small. By choosing action over endless thinking, you can quiet the noise and let your mind rest. This inner peace naturally opens your heart to rule number 6. Give more to people. When we spend our entire lives focusing only on our own success, our money, and our problems, our hearts slowly become cold and empty. Real joy grows when you share your energy, your patience, and your deep kindness with others. Giving does not mean you need a lot of money. A simple smile, a warm helping hand, or a kind sentence like, "I believe in you," can give immense strength to someone who is secretly drowning in loneliness. This beautiful care flows directly into rule number 7. Spend time with your family. We get so busy chasing our careers that we easily forget that life moves incredibly fast. Parents grow older, children grow up, and beautiful moments disappear forever. Your loved ones do not just need your money. They need your true emotional presence, your attention, and your listening ear. Finally, rule number 8 reminds us to smile more. Life can be very difficult and full of heavy pressure, but a simple smile is a brave choice to hold on to hope. Smiling does not mean your life is perfect. It means you refuse to let negativity control your spirit. When you smile, you invite light back into your soul and bring comfort to everyone around you. When you choose to smile through the hardships and protect your inner peace, you are finally ready to anchor these lessons into a lifelong commitment. This brings us to our final destination together, where we must realize that a beautiful, meaningful life is never created by accident. It is built entirely through the quiet, conscious decisions you make every single day when nobody is watching. We have explored these 8 rules today not as a heavy lecture or a simple list of facts, but as a real, living map for our shared journey of self-improvement. Your physical health, your mental clarity, and your relationships with your loved ones deserve your highest respect and your deepest effort. Do not allow laziness, late nights, or endless overthinking to control your destiny for another single day. I want to challenge you right now to take this moment seriously. Do not just close this video and return to your old heavy habits. Choose just 1 or 2 rules that touched your heart today and promise yourself to practice them this week. Write your chosen rules down in the comments below, because when you write your commitment, you tell your brain that your future truly matters. If our quiet conversation today brought a little bit of light and value to your life, please like this video, share it with someone you deeply care about, and subscribe to Glaze English. Your beautiful support gives us the strength to keep creating these meaningful videos for your journey. Thank you for your time, stay incredibly consistent, and I will see you in our next video. Looking back at the journey we have traveled together, these 8 rules are not just single pieces of advice. They are the perfect gears that run the complex system of a peaceful and successful life. Modern life is filled with endless noise, constant distractions, and heavy anxiety that quietly drain our energy, pollute our minds, and destroy our most sacred relationships. When you establish a protective boundary for your body through regular movement, wake up before the noisy world demands your attention, and feed your brain with deep wisdom from books instead of cheap entertainment, you are actively choosing internal discipline over temporary comfort. This physical and mental discipline is the raw fuel that allows you to work harder and grow stronger than you did yesterday. However, your personal growth will never be complete without an emotional anchor. Learning to quiet your overthinking, opening your heart to support others, deeply protecting your precious time with family, and carrying a brave smile through the dark days are the emotional choices that keep you grounded during life's heavy storms. True transformation is never a dramatic event that happens overnight. It is a quiet, steady chain of tiny victories, won through the silent decisions you make every single day. The deepest lesson we can take from this reflection is that the shape of your future depends entirely on the consistency of your present. Motivation is just a tiny spark that starts the fire, but small, daily discipline is the coal that keeps it burning forever. To apply this beautiful lesson to your life right now, you do not need to rewrite your entire lifestyle today, because doing too much at once will only make you feel overwhelmed and lead to quitting. Instead, pick just one simple rule that you need the most right now. If your mind feels heavy and chaotic, commit to never skipping movement for more than 3 days, or set your alarm 30 minutes earlier tomorrow to read 10 pages of a good book. Practice this single choice with deep patience for 2 weeks before trying to change anything else. When one tiny gear begins to move correctly, your whole life will naturally shift into a beautiful new direction. To help us learn together and build a strong community of growth, I would love to hear your personal perspective. Which of these 8 life rules do you think is the most important for you to practice right now? Please politely leave your answer and thoughts in the comment section below so everyone can learn from your experience and support each other. And if this quiet conversation brought true value to your day, please subscribe to Glaze English to support our channel and give us the deep motivation to keep creating more life-changing content for your journey. Thank you so much.